The heavy rains in Camp de Tarragona have caused flooding in some streets and damage to infrastructure. In Constantí, nearly 100 liters per square meter were recorded in less than 2 hours, and in Vila-seca, the N-340 road had to be closed due to flooding. Civil Protection warns that the storm will move along the coast from south to north and that it is expected to reach Barcelona in the next few hours. This morning, Civil Protection activated the alert of the Inuncat plan for the forecast of storms, and until 7 in the afternoon, the 112 telephone number received 759 calls related to 460 incidents until 9 at night resulting from the rain. Civil Protection has prohibited approaching the Francolí River due to the risk of overflowing, as well as the other rivers and streams in the area. The heavy rains this Friday afternoon in Camp de Tarragona have caused flooding and have left cars bogged down in several localities in the territory. Another consequence of the rain has been that the city council has decided to suspend the events of the Santa Tecla festival with the intention of prioritizing the safety of the public. The fire brigade have also explained that there has been flooding in a residence in Canonja and in a school in Catlar. The water has also caused flooding in the playground of the Miracle School, also in Tarragona, and has washed away many cars in the Arabasada neighborhood. Another consequence is that the flow of the Francolí River has grown considerably, although it seems that it has not overflowed. On the other hand, the rain has also led to specific effects on the electricity supply in some areas. According to Civil Protection reports, 690 users were affected in Vendrell, 619 in Salou, 474 in Godall, 413 in Rota de Berra, and 355 in Tarragona. Following the heavy rains, the circulation of lines R14, R15 and RT1. However, this morning, Civil Protection has reported that rail traffic has been restored in Vila-seca.